Did you know the most brutal life advice comes from the most beautiful places? Meet Sakura, an angelic anime mom who destroys dreams while making perfect pancakes. As she gracefully flips batter, she tells her son his art career is doomed because he draws like a drunk toddler. Cut to flashback. Young Sakura doing keg stands at college while looking like a literal angel. Back to kitchen, she's explaining to her daughter why becoming an influencer is basically professional begging, all while her eyes sparkle like diamonds and cherry blossoms fall outside the window.